Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit from the Leibovit VR newsletters and VRtrader.com here on this Monday morning, November 17th, looking at some gold shares here on Esignal using our Leibovit VR indicator. As a reminder, first, we will be at the Traders Expo this coming week. The expo runs from the 19th through the 22nd, Wednesday through Saturday, and I will be doing a short presentation with eSignal and also holding my own workshop. It is located at Caesar's Palace, again in Las Vegas, so hopefully you can make it. On the screen is GLD, the Spider Gold Trust. We had a positive VR formed on the 11th, and sure enough, it presaged this big spike that we saw on Friday, which was a big key reversal day to the upside. Prior to that, there was a clear gap here that needed to be filled, so perhaps that occurred on Friday. The risk here for traders is that you could pull back to the previous high point here, which is around 113.15, and we closed on Friday at 114.47, so that's your risk. But maybe a bigger move is starting. We've had a rising stochastic here, as you can see, for the last several sessions, and if we take out that 50-day moving average at 116.62, then something more significant could be unfolding here. Looking at other names, silver, SLV, which is the iShares Silver Trust, also a big key reversal to the upside on Friday, but prior to that we had a Leibovit positive VR on the 11th, similar situation, and looking at it from that perspective, you had a couple gaps here, so it was clear, at least to me, that a little bit of a bounce could be unfolding here, and indeed that's what has happened. Your risk would be a pullback to the previous high point here around 1524 in SLV, but I suspect we're probably going to trend higher here, at least toward this gap, which is at 1633, and possibly to the 50-day moving average, which is at 1644. On the left side of your screen, you're looking at my watch list, and I'm just highlighting one name at the top, American Barrick, ABX. What this is a list provided here on eSignal where you can post any of all of your names. In this case, I'm using the gold shares, the XAU index, and when you get a little P here following a VR, it tells you it is forming in the current bar. So pulling up American Barrick here, you click on it and the chart comes up. You can see a positive VR, Leibovit positive VR was formed on Friday, and we have a rising stochastic, so American Barrick should trend higher here. How far it's going? Well, the big target would of course be that 50-day moving average if we can get that far, but we do have a rising stochastic, so this watch list is useful to give you clues where the VRs are coming, and I follow that all the time. And that's pretty much it. We'll talk to you on our next update. Hope to see you in Vegas. Thanks for checking in.